up, man? I know it's been a while I haven't posted. Just to let you know, there's a few issues with my car. Where do I start? My cutouts quit working. I have to get that checked out. Every now and then, ever since I put the front 17x9 white and steelies, I get the ABS and brake light coming on now. It appears the rear end, this side is lower than the other side. I got the two stock wheel and tire in the trunk still. I gotta remove that just to see if the back will get raised any. Also, the window switches don't work, doesn't lock or unlock the doors. I have to check that out. And there is a sound coming out of the exhaust. I believe is the passenger side, the right side. I'll show you that in a bit. But yeah, man, fix one thing, you go through another, man. And have this car for what, like 8 years now? It hasn't given me that many issues, but sometimes it happens. You start messing with it, and then all you do is oil changes and shit, Think everything's smooth, It's low miles, 84,000, so just whatever little issues come on, just gotta fix it. There may be some other issues I'm not remembering right now, but I got the header rubbing on the the steering shaft fixed. The dyno shop that fixed it, they removed the power steering, the steering shaft, and they just hit the damn exhaust tube until it didn't rub anymore. Also, I want to know, my steering wheel is super soft. Not used to that. I wasn't used to it anymore since I had the rubbing. So I don't know, is that normal? I know my power steering fluid is almost at the minimum. But my steering wheel is super smooth. Is you guys Crown Vics or Panthers the same way, or is the steering wheel a bit stiffer? I mean, the weight on the rotating mass on my front are like 72 pounds, wheel and tire each side, and it just feels like it's much smoother. I mean, I'm not gonna complain there, right? But is that an issue that's about to happen, or everything's good? I'm not hearing the problem right now, but maybe it's just towards the rear. Maybe it went away. But yeah, man, these rear tires are massive. Kind of looks crazy. I would like to tuck them in, but I don't want to pay all that money for narrowing down the rear end, working, changing the suspension in the back and everything. So, put some more money on the engine once I fix all of these issues. Also, I got a land that I purchased. Gotta put all my money towards that. Eventually, a hood I would like, but yeah, See what's up. Well, appreciate you guys taking a look, man. This is where I'm at. The rears are 27 by 0.7 diameter, 13-inch wide. These are 25.7 by 10.8-inch wide in the front. But yeah, man, appreciate you guys.